yellow one. Press the button.
Tanya, scoot back. There we go.
Right. Titus, don't hang on your mother like that. Okay.
Mommy, can I sit over there with them?
No, you can't play with them.
No.
Dominic, look at this.
A sparkle gun. Gone.
Titus! Kid, you bumped me.
I'm unwrapping for him.
Because he's too busy playing with them.
Titus, move your head.
He's got to get right in there.
You have to play with him.
Hey, Dominic, look. What's that?
Oh, that's because you bought that one.
That's what you want?
Oh, I'm glad we did buy
Now, look, hand me the train one and I'll take it apart and put it together. Thank you, Alex.
Be annoying. Oh, great, it's gonna be annoying.
Hey, Dominic, want to open this one up?
Oh, I know what it is.
You're like, whatever, Mama.
I just want to do it.
Hey, Dominic.
Oh, no.
Look.
I got it.
Hey, Dominic.
Right there. Use it.
You're like, that's tiny, that's tiny, that's tiny.
Alan, move back.
He loves it. He loves that face.
Are you earplugs now?
I don't mind.
At least you'll know where he is from the sound.
I've had other stuff from girls here that